Alright, let's dive into one of nature's coolest superpowers, how electric eels actually produce electricity. Despite the name, electric eels aren't really eels. They're more closely related to catfish. They zap the water with a jolt of electricity strong enough to knock out prey, scare off predators. So how do they do it? It all comes down to some seriously specialized cells called electrocytes. Imagine these like tiny, living batteries. Electric eels have three main electrical organs. Main organ Hunter's organ, Sachs organ. Together, these organs make up about 80% of the eel's body. Most of what you see is basically a giant power bank swimming around. Inside these organs, you'll find stacks on stacks of electrocytes. Hundreds of thousands of them all lined up in columns. Each electrocyte has a positive side and a negative side, just like the ends of a regular battery. Here's where it gets wild. When the eel wants to unleash a shock, its nervous system sends a signal down to those electrical organs. That signal tells the electrocytes to open up. Ions, tiny charged particles, rush in. This flips the charge inside each cell, creating a positive end and a negative end across the whole stack. Multiply that by thousands of cells, all firing at once, and you get a massive electric current. The eel can produce shocks up to 600 volts. That's 5 times more than the voltage in a standard wall socket. But what does the eel do with all that power? For starters, it hunts. A strong electric shock can stun small fish or even kill crustaceans, making them easy pickings. It's also a top-notch defense mechanism. Any predator thinking about taking a bite gets a nasty surprise. But it's not all about the big shocks. Electric eels can also generate weaker electric fields to help them navigate. They use them to communicate. They even find their way around murky waters with those fields. It's like having built-in radar. And during breeding season, those electric impulses turn into love signals, helping eels find a mate. So next time you hear about electric eels, remember, they're not just shocking for fun. They're living batteries using electricity for everything from hunting to flirting. Pretty electrifying, right?